अभी आगे का जो मैं फिल्म में साइन कर रहा हूँ उसके बारे में मैंने कोई डिसीजन लिया नहीं अभी तक पूरी तरह से.
एक और ह्यूमर आ रहा है कि एसएस मौली के साथ also your favorite director as you mentioned.
Yeah, Mr. Rajamouli, he's a wonderful director.
He's your favorite also.
Yeah.
So you're working with him. We are not sure on that. Like there was something was.
No, that must be a rumor. I mean, I would love to work with him. I think he's a wonderful director, and if I get the chance to work with him, I would love to work with him. Yeah.
Sir, he is doing Mahabharat. He is doing Mahabharat. So in Mahabharat, which character do you want to?
Oh, he's doing Mahabharat?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful, yeah. In Mahabharat, you know, if I was to act in Mahabharat, there are two characters who I really love. One is Karna.
Okay.
And the other is Krishna. So I would probably end up playing Krishna.
Okay.
If the person making the film feels I'm appropriate. Because Karna is a warrior, you know. I don't see myself as a warrior. 6 feet 6 inches, you know. He's born with Kavach and Kundal. So I'm not sure I can visually portray that. Physically I can portray that, or I don't know. So perhaps I'm more suited for Krishna. See, I have to say that each and every personality in Mahabharata is wonderfully etched. So as an actor, you can do negative role or positive role. That is not so important. I think bringing out the character that you are supposed to portray in its honesty, and people should feel that you are that character, is more important. Mahabharata is a wonderful, it's a really amazing piece of, you know, it's one of the proudest things that we are in India about is the Mahabharata, and that is something I would love to be a part of. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि बेटी उतनी ही अहमियत रखती है जितना बेटा, लेकिन वो एक इंसान है जिन्होंने वो करके दिखाया, and he has always believed in that. So he is a very big hero for me. And the challenge that Geeta and Babita had in front of them, and the hard work they put in, the level of passion and the achievement they have, you know, reached is quite rare. I think एक हिंदुस्तान के छोटे से गांव से वो लड़कियां आती हैं और वो पूरे विश्व पे अपना छाप छोड़ जाती हैं. It's not a small thing.
And what is your take on demonetization?
You know, I feel that it's something that we should support. It's something that our government is trying to do, which is meant for improving the situation that we have in the country. And certainly any attempt to do that, we must all support. There may be difficulties along the way, but in the long run, I think we should look at the long run.
Thank you.